Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS Academy. Myself Sandeep Adari. Do you want to know what is the basic difference between UG studies and PG studies? The matter seems to be very simple, but we should understand the in-depth knowledge, what exactly are the opportunities when you perform post-graduation and what skill set is required in post-graduation. And remember, my dear students, today in the competitive world, in the corporate world, people are looking for updating their skills. Definitely focused areas will have high advantage when you talk about the research, goals, everything. Suppose, my dear students, if you talk about publishing a paper or if you want to pursue your PhD, definitely post-graduation plays a very important role. So let us understand the simple things which you might be already known, but we will revamp it. Okay. Now coming to the structure, what we are going to study here is related to the structure. The duration of the course for undergraduate, it might be 3 to 4 years. For post-graduation, it can be 1 to 2 years. If you pursue PhD also with post-graduation, definitely it will be 5 years. The depth of the study, this is the war you have to be more focused. Suppose if I talk about civil engineering comes under undergraduation. But when I talk about structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, when in mechanical we have thermal engineering, or you can say thermal design, or in electrical power systems, in electronics and communication we have VLSI, telecommunication, similarly computer science engineering. Definitely the depth of the study matters a lot because the area of research, the focus area will be more on a particular specialization. Coming to the class size and engagement. Why? Because students, when the mentor is engaged with a lesser size of class, he will be more focused and he can allocate more time for an individual. And this cannot be happen in undergraduate. Usually the size will be 50 to 60. When coming to the post-graduation, it will be hardly 15 to 20, not more than 20 usually. Now coming to the structure, we have done the structural part. Now we want to understand the curriculum. Now when I come across the undergraduation, it emphasizes on fundamental knowledge. Like if you talk about RCC, you will understand reinforced cement concrete. What exactly is the difference between design and analysis? But once you go into structures, you'll be studying about the advanced topics like plate analysis, advanced theory of structures, or advanced steel structures. So definitely you will have a high hold on a particular area of focus. Coming to the specialized courseworks, as I told you, we have specialized course, specialized fields. Like if you talk about a company in mechanical, GE Aviation, they look for people who are masters, especially in design in mechanical engineering or structures in civil engineering. So your area of research is totally focused on the design. Similarly, if you talk about VLSI, if you come across the Intel, Applied Materials, they recruit usually the top people from IITs, especially in VLSI, and they offer 40 to 50 lakhs. Now coming to the research opportunities. My dear students, you might have published a paper in undergraduate, but in post-graduation, the research activities will play a vital role. Why? Because to publish a paper like international journals, you should understand what is the abstract, what is the experiments, what is the calculations, what are the conclusions you are going to draw. Using this, you can publish a paper in Science Directory or Springer. So these publications will add value addition to your resume, and definitely you will have high chances to get into the research domain companies. After coming to the curriculum, after we have completed the curriculum, let us focus on research. Like if you talk about undergraduation, moreover you talk about research only in the final year when you are doing your project, or if you talk but in post graduation you focus on day in the second year, complete year on the projects, and you have to be very focused with the results, and you have to be very focused on the conclusion. And when I talk about, as I told you, mentorship in undergraduation, you will be mentored at the fundamental level, but in post graduation you will be mentored to publish a paper such a way that your area of research will help the publications or any research paper to be published. And remember, let me tell you why research plays a vital role. The research plays a vital role because the kind of the job profile. And remember, my dear students, in the corporate companies, regarding the promotions or the domain you are into, will be more focused on research. For suppose in software industry, we talk about the development phase and testing phase and support. But there is a core team which always brainstorm them in finding the new algorithms. In that area, these postgraduate focused people will be getting more, and remember, they will be highly paid. Now coming to the goals, what we set at undergraduate. When I talk about salaries, when I talk about the role as a manager or a senior manager, definitely post-graduation plays a very vital role. When compared to the impact also goals, in the leadership, what I am trying to say, postgraduate has that maturity. And remember, my dear students, it doesn't mean that undergraduate is not good, but definitely post-graduation will play a vital role to enhance your skills. Definitely updating the skills to be highly paid than postgraduate is mandatory. So let us emphasize mainly on the points which are very important related to undergraduate and post-graduation. So I just want to emphasize on fundamental knowledge in undergraduate, focus on specialized knowledge in post-graduation, and limited exposure to research in undergraduation, greater emphasis on research, and entry-level positions in any companies in undergraduation, enhanced career opportunities in post-graduation. Now, my dear students, these are the contrasts between the undergraduate and postgraduate. I hope this video will help you to understand why we have to pursue post-graduation, and especially from the prestigious colleges like IIT. Now, my dear students, we at IMS Gate Academy offers online gate coaching, offline gate coaching, and self-recorded sessions. We are providing 800 plus hours of offline and online gate coaching. We are providing the offline gate coaching at Jayanagar, Malleshwaram, and at Vijayawada. And remember, my dear students, we are come up with a gate question booklet with 34 years of solutions, previous year solutions, which covers key pointers, alternative solutions, and for difficult level questions, we are giving the QR code where you can download the video. And my dear students, we are providing the subject-wise material. And if you want to test yourself at every interface, definitely we have chapter test, subject test, advanced level test, and multiple subject tests. Why IMS is different from the other institutes, if I ask you? My dear students, we are offering the My Plan sessions, one-to-one mentorship. We will give the complete roadmap for the entire GATE 2025. In addition to this, we are providing the doubt solving portal. So I hope this video will help you why post-graduation is important, and you might be clear what are the exact contrasts between undergraduate and postgraduate. Thank you and all the best.